You're gonna want these 12 travel tech essentials for your next trip. These are smart, compact gadgets that completely transform the way you travel, making everything smoother, easier, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Some of these might even feel like luxury upgrades without the luxury price tag, because let's be honest, travel can be unpredictable. From navigating new places to staying connected, organized, and powered up, the right tech can make all the difference. These 12 travel tech essentials have become staples in both mine and my husband's setup, no matter where we're traveling to. And I know they'll make your travels easier as well. I've linked everything in the description box below, so you can go and check that out after you watch this video, and let's get into it. The first tiny travel tech essential to use on your next trip are the Viture Luma Ultra with the neckband, which feels like bringing a private entertainment system in your carry-on. This has 100% transformed my flying experience and made long travel days feel like a breeze. Sometimes I wish they were even longer so I can keep using the glasses. The Viture glasses give you a massive virtual screen right in front of you. So flights, hotel rooms, or long layovers instantly become your own personal cinema. When you pair it with the neckband, you can stream apps, browse, game, or multitask without needing to rely on your phone. It's compact, futuristic, and honestly one of the coolest ways to watch content while traveling. If you love tech that makes travel feel like first class, this setup is hard to beat. The next tiny travel tech essential you'll want to bring on your next trip is a Bluetooth transmitter and receiver, so it can turn anything it's plugged into send or receive audio. We've used it on flights to connect the flight movie to our Bluetooth headphones. Anything that has an aux port can be made to have Bluetooth with this device. So we've connected it to a car or stereo that didn't have Bluetooth, and we're able to play music from our phone, which is great for road trips in rental cars. Another tiny piece of travel tech that solves a huge problem is an eSIM. And this one is so small, it's actually invisible. And if you end up wanting to try it on your next trip, you can use my code for $3 off your first Airlo eSIM. If you've ever traveled internationally, you probably remember having to hunt down a local SIM card when you land, or worse, getting hit with crazy international roaming fees from your home provider. That's exactly what Airlo eSIM eliminates. With Airlo, you can purchase a digital SIM right from your phone before your trip, so the moment that you land, you're instantly connected just like you would be at home. No swapping out physical SIM cards, no searching for kiosks, no stress. It's honestly one of the easiest ways to stay connected while you're traveling, whether you're messaging friends and family, checking emails, posting on social media, or using Google Maps to get around. And it works in over 200 countries and regions, which is incredible if you're hopping between destinations. The app itself is super straightforward. You just download it, choose a data plan for your destination, install the eSIM, and then once you land, you switch it on in your phone settings. That's it. It's really that easy to set up. Airlo has options whether you just need a bit of data for messaging and maps, or a larger or even unlimited plan if you're working or sharing a lot while you travel. Whatever the style of trip or length, Airlo has a plan that will fit you and your needs. So if you want to make your life way easier on your next trip, I highly recommend checking out Airlo eSIM. You can use my code for $3 off your first eSIM, and I have everything linked below in the video description, so you can go and check that out. Another tiny tech travel essential that's a must for international travel is a universal power adapter, and the Tessin adapter specifically has been my travel buddy for the past couple of years. If you're traveling abroad, being able to charge your devices easily is non-negotiable. So this compact travel adapter turns a single outlet into a full charging station with multiple plug types and USB ports, so you can power your phone, laptop, camera, and other travel tech all at once. It's lightweight, durable, and designed so your plugs don't block each other, which is great. It makes a big difference in hotels, airports, or shared accommodations. If you're into travel videos, the Insta360 X5 is honestly such a fun camera to bring with you. It's tiny and it's powerful. It shoots in 8K 360, so you don't have to worry about framing the shot perfectly. You just hit record and it films everything all around you. And then when you're editing, you choose your angles. If there's a lot happening around you, the X5 will capture everything at the same time. It's as if you had eyes at the back of your head and below your head as well. It also gives you that invisible selfie stick effect, so it looks like a drone is following you around. It also has the tiny world effect that you've probably seen. The stabilization is super smooth, it's compact, waterproof, and really easy to travel with. This is the kind of camera that makes everyday moments look epic. When it comes to headphones, I'm pretty simple and prefer my wired ones I got with my iPhone. They're also tiny tech, so they count, but since most people use earbuds these days, including my husband, I have to also talk about the Sony LinkBuds S, which he's been using for years. The Sony LinkBuds S are small but mighty noise-canceling wireless earbuds. These are incredibly light, super comfortable for long flights, train rides, or all-day exploring. You get active noise canceling when you want to zone out, plus ambient mode when you need to hear gate announcements or city sounds. Battery life runs up to 6 hours with noise canceling on, and the compact case has a battery to recharge them on the go. Depending on the type of trip you're taking, a rechargeable headlamp is another tiny travel tech essential that is super beneficial. And honestly, it's a great product to just have at home too. It's always useful. There are a lot of different models out there, but this is the one that I really like and I've used several. You can order this on Amazon and it comes in a 2-pack. It's super bright, 1500 lumen wide beam, so you don't just see what's in front of you, but your peripherals as well. This is perfect for walking late at night, camping, power outages, or digging through your bag without waking anybody up. It's lightweight, USB-C rechargeable, and gives you hands-free light exactly where you need it. It has 6 modes, 3 for the front light, high, low, and strobe, and 3 for the rear light, which is a red light, high, low, and strobe. The rear light makes it safe for walking at night so cars can see you from behind. The Atifos tracker is a tiny tech essential that solves massive problems by keeping track of your personal items. This tracker gives me such a peace of mind when I'm traveling. If you're traveling with checked bags, camera gear, anything you can't afford to lose, you put one of these Atifos trackers inside your bag and you'll be able to track it from your phone. These are incredibly accurate and pair instantly with both Apple and Android devices. Even if you want a peace of mind that your luggage is on the flight, you can make sure it's there from your seat before you take off. It's compact, lightweight, easy to hide inside a suitcase, backpack, camera bag, on your keys, or anything else that's precious to you. The battery can last over a year, plus it's water resistant, so it's great for rough travel days as well. It's basically an AirTag alternative that costs less and still gives real peace of mind when you're on the move. This is the travel tech pouch that I've been using for years. I actually don't even know what the brand name is. It doesn't say on here, but I was able to find either the same one or one very similar on Amazon, so you can go and check that out. I put the link in the description box below. But I love this one because it's super light, it's not bulky, and it fits all the cables that I need when I'm traveling, and it keeps them all organized, which I really appreciate. The next one is for anyone traveling with credit cards. One of the smartest travel upgrades you can make is keeping your card secure in a RFID wallet. And what that means is any card inside it cannot be scanned or tapped by a payment terminal. It's fairly easy for someone with a wireless payment terminal to hold it up to someone's bag or pocket and charge their cards without them even knowing, which is scary. This wallet holds up to 15 cards, has a money clip to hold bills, and made of lightweight carbon fiber. My husband Sia uses his as his everyday wallet, not just when traveling. Keeping his cards protected, it also isn't as bulky as traditional wallets. The metal design also protects the cards from getting bent from years of use. The metal build is durable, stylish, takes up almost no space in a day bag or carry-on. And for women, this is the perfect place to safely store your cards and keep it in a purse, backpack, or pocket. After 15 years of travel and creating content, I finally got a tripod for my cell phone. This has made capturing content easier and more fun on the go, especially if you're doing solo travel or don't want to keep asking strangers to take photos of you and your family. This is the Xiaomi Zoom Floor Selfie Stick. Now, this isn't just a selfie stick that doesn't stand on its own, although you could use it that way. It's a retractable tripod built for cell phones. The tripod legs pop out once you tap the bottom on the ground, so you can set up in seconds. It extends up to 62 inches, and the head tilts for different angle shots or for selfie mode. You can rotate the mount for vertical and horizontal scenes. And there's a built-in remote if you want to start and stop recording from afar. This also works for photos as well, so you don't need to set the timer and run into frame and out of frame over and over again. It also comes with a carrying case, which is perfect for travel. This phone holder is a tiny tech essential for travel, for anyone who wants to stay entertained during long flights without the discomfort of holding your phone for hours. This versatile, flexible phone holder can easily attach to airplane seat backs, tray tables, or even luggage handles, allowing you to adjust your phone to the perfect viewing angle, hands-free. Its durable, bendable arm holds your device securely in place, so you can enjoy a comfortable eye-level view. It's compatible with most smartphones and even small tablets, making it a must-have for keeping your tech accessible during flights or layovers. That is 12, but I'm including a bonus which will keep your tiny tech essentials safe and protected, and that is by using silica gel packets. Moisture can ruin technology and mold clothing, so to prevent that, manufacturers put these silica gel packs in their packaging, and when we get them in our products, we just keep them in a Ziploc bag and put them in our bags when we travel. That way, if something gets wet, like a camera or phone, we'll leave it for a few hours in a Ziploc bag with these silica gels until all the moisture is removed. All right, I hope you found these 12 tiny travel tech essentials as helpful as I do. And if you're ready to make your next trip smoother, easier, and way more connected, you can find links to everything down below. And before your next trip, don't forget to check out Airlo eSIM. It's honestly one of the simplest ways to stay connected throughout your whole trip from the moment that you land in your destination without dealing with a physical SIM card or international roaming fees. You can get $3 off your first eSIM using my special discount in the links below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed if you aren't already for more travel tips, travel hacks, must-have travel gear, travel guides, and more. And if you like this video, be sure to check out our first of the series, 12 tiny travel essentials that make a huge difference. And I will see you in the next video. Happy travels!